Hey there, Windows 11 users. Ever found yourself stuck at the dreaded scanning and repairing drive screen? Frustrating, right? Well, worry not. Stick around and let's bid farewell to that scanning marathon. Start by searching for Security and Maintenance in your Windows search bar. Yep, it's that easy. Open up the Security and Maintenance window. It's your hub for all things system health. Now, click on Maintenance. It's like your system's personal trainer. Here's the important part. Check the status of your drivers. Make sure everything is in the green. Healthy drivers, happy system. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Open up your File Explorer. You know that trusty folder icon on your taskbar? Give it a click. Navigate to This PC. It's your digital hub for all things on your computer. Identify the problematic drive. Right-click on it. Yes, the one causing all the trouble. Select Properties. We're digging into the details now. Head over to the Tools tab. It's where the magic happens. Click on Check. We're gearing up for some diagnostic action. Now hit Scan Drive. Let your computer work its tech-savvy charm. Once the scan is done, click on Close. You've just given your drive a little digital checkup. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Fire up your superhero PowerShell. Just hit the Windows key, type PowerShell in the search bar, and there it is. Right-click on PowerShell and take it to the next level. Run as administrator. Click Yes when Windows asks if you're sure about this power move. Now, grab the secret weapon from our video description. Copy it with a swift Ctrl+C. Back in PowerShell, unleash the magic with a Ctrl+V. Hit Enter and watch the fix unfold. One last command to seal the deal. Type Exit, press Enter, and you're done. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Search for CMD in your Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, head to the video description, copy the command provided, and paste it here by pressing Ctrl+V. Hit Enter to execute. Wait patiently until the process reaches 100% completion. Once it's done, close the command prompt. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.